The forces of nature have shaped our world in ways that often seem to defy logic, leaving behind formations that challenge our imagination and mesmerize us with their grandeur. Some of these remarkable structures appear to float in mid-air, while others resemble impossible shapes sculpted by an unknown hand. In this video, we'll uncover 10 of the most extraordinary rock formations on Earth, each one a breathtaking enigma that even scientists struggle to fully explain. Number 10. Wave Rock. A stunning masterpiece of nature, Wave Rock is a towering granite formation in Western Australia that appears frozen mid-wave. Standing over 14 meters tall and stretching approximately 110 meters in length, it is a spectacle that captivates visitors with its dramatic curves and vibrant color patterns. The rock's unique shape was sculpted over millions of years, as relentless winds and rain slowly eroded the granite, shaping it into this iconic wave-like formation. The oxidation of iron and magnesium has created breathtaking stripes of red, gray, and yellow, giving it an almost painted appearance. This transformation was further enhanced by carbonic acid, formed when rainwater mixed with carbon dioxide, gradually dissolving minerals like feldspar into clay. A natural marvel like no other, Wave Rock is a testament to the artistic power of time and the elements. Number 9. Symphony of Stone. As if carved into a natural cathedral, the Symphony of Stone in Armenia is a breathtaking display of towering basalt columns resembling the pipes of a giant organ. These hexagonal formations stretch up to 50 meters high along the rugged gorge near the Azat River, forming one of the country's most awe-inspiring landscapes. The story of their creation began millions of years ago, during intense volcanic activity, when lava cooled and contracted, cracking into symmetrical columns. What remains today is an architectural marvel sculpted by nature itself, an otherworldly sight that seems more like an ancient temple than a product of geology. Number 8. Stone columns. Near the shores of Crowley Lake in California, a surreal sight emerges. Hundreds of vertical stone columns stand in eerie alignment, as if carefully placed by an unseen force. However, their origins go back 760,000 years, to a time of intense volcanic activity that reshaped the land. When a massive volcanic eruption blanketed the region with hot ash, the material compacted into volcanic tuff, a soft, porous rock. Over time, glacier water seeped through, cooling the layer unevenly and causing vertical fractures to form. These cracks eventually deepened, creating the stunningly uniform and perfectly aligned stone pillars seen today. It's a geological wonder that appears almost man-made, yet it's entirely a creation of nature. Number 7. Krishnas Butterball. A rock that should have rolled away centuries ago, yet mysteriously remains in place, Krishnas Butterball in Mahabalipuram, India, is a gravity-defying enigma. This massive granite boulder, measuring over 5 meters in diameter and weighing around 250 tons, precariously balances on a smooth slope, seemingly defying the laws of physics. According to Hindu mythology, the rock is a divine creation, a playful act of Lord Krishna, who was known for his love of butter. Yet, scientists struggle to explain why it has never budged, despite earthquakes and even attempts by rulers to remove it. Some speculate that its perfectly balanced center of gravity and high friction at its base are the key to its incredible stability. A spectacle that continues to baffle geologists and visitors alike, Krishnas Butterball is one of India's most extraordinary natural formations. Number 6. Mushroom rocks. Worldwide, scattered across deserts and plains worldwide, mushroom-shaped rock formations are among nature's most peculiar sculptures. These bizarre structures owe their unique shapes to a phenomenon known as differential abrasion, where the lower portions of the rock erode faster than the upper parts, due to the relentless power of the wind. Over centuries of exposure, the wind carves away the base while leaving the top relatively intact, forming an unmistakable mushroom silhouette. Some of these formations appear so precarious that they look as if a single gust of wind could tip them over, yet they remain standing, a testament to the incredible balance between erosion and natural stability. Number 5. Rock of the Three Whales. Hidden within the dense jungles of Bueng Kan Province, Thailand, an extraordinary sandstone formation known as the Rock of the Three Whales emerges from the landscape like a scene from a prehistoric world. These massive rock structures, estimated to be around 75 million years old, earned their name because, from certain angles, they resemble three enormous whales swimming together. Originally submerged in a shallow sea, these rocks were gradually uplifted by tectonic forces, exposing them to the elements. Over millions of years, wind and rain eroded the softer layers of stone, sculpting them into the distinctive whale-like shapes we see today. Towering above the forest, these formations provide breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding wilderness, making them one of Thailand's most spectacular natural wonders. Number 4. Titanic Rock. A monolithic wonder rising dramatically in Australia's remote northern territory, Uluru, often referred to as Titanic Rock, stands as one of the most iconic geological formations on Earth. This enormous sandstone structure, measuring 348 meters in height and boasting a circumference of nearly 10 kilometers, dominates the vast desert landscape. Scientists estimate that Uluru was formed over 550 million years ago, when ancient sea sediments compacted and solidified, later shaped by relentless erosion into the striking landmark we recognize today. Beyond its natural grandeur, Uluru holds deep spiritual significance for the Anangu people, the region's indigenous custodians, who regard it as a sacred site filled with centuries-old legends and traditions. Number 3. Balancing Rock. A testament to nature's incredible equilibrium, the balancing rock in Colorado's Garden of the Gods appears to defy gravity itself. This red sandstone marvel sits perched on a narrow eroded base, seemingly on the verge of collapse, yet it has remained standing for countless centuries. The secret to its stability lies in its perfectly balanced center of gravity, ensuring that despite its precarious position, it withstands the elements without toppling over. Over time, the softer surrounding rock has worn away, leaving this astonishing geological illusion. Visitors marvel at its seemingly impossible stance, making it one of the most photographed attractions in the area. Number 2. Tower of the Gods. Rising an astonishing 386 meters into the sky, the Tower of the Gods in Guomin, China, is one of the tallest natural rock formations in the world. This colossal structure, composed of vertical phonolite columns, was created around 50 million years ago, when magma solidified under intense pressure deep underground. Over time, erosion gradually stripped away the surrounding layers, revealing the tower's strikingly symmetrical columns. Its sheer height and almost unnatural appearance have inspired countless legends and myths, with many believing that the structure was shaped by supernatural forces rather than geological processes. Number 1. Golden Rock. Few rock formations in the world carry as much spiritual significance as Myanmar's Golden Rock. This massive boulder, estimated to weigh around 600 tons, precariously balances on the edge of a cliff over 100 meters above sea level. What makes it even more spectacular is its brilliant golden appearance, the result of centuries of devotees applying gold leaf as an act of worship. According to legend, the rock remains in place because it is balanced on a single strand of the Buddha's hair, making it a site of deep religious reverence. Despite the forces of gravity and time, the Golden Rock remains steadfast, drawing millions of pilgrims and visitors who come to witness this mystical and seemingly impossible wonder.